Make Thai fried rice. If you're in the mood for some Thai, this Thai fried rice recipe should satisfy your craving. Packed with flavor and spices, this recipe is a surefire way to take a quick dinner time trip to Thailand. Enjoy with shrimp or fried pork. Prep time: 1 hour 30 minutes. Cook time: 25 minutes. 2½ cups water or broth. 1¼ cups long grain white rice, or brown rice, if you prefer. 1 cup ground pork. Pork sausage will work. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 cup onion, finely chopped, about 1 medium onion. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced. 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, pureed. 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, can substitute paprika. 2 tablespoon fish sauce. 2 cups cooked vegetables, finely chopped, broccoli, zucchini, peppers, bok choy, etc. 3 eggs, beaten. 3 green onions, finely chopped. 1/2 cup fresh cilantro, finely chopped. In a large cooking pot, bring water and rice to boil. Reduce heat to medium-low and simmer for 20 minutes or until water is absorbed. Cooking times will vary depending on the variety of rice you use, so it is necessary to keep an eye on the rice throughout the cooking process. Once cooked, transfer the rice to a large bowl and stir with a fork. Let the rice sit for 30 minutes at room temperature. Stir occasionally. Cover the rice and place in the refrigerator for at least an hour, or up to 1 day, if necessary. When ready to prepare rice to serve, fry the pork at high heat until it is cooked through, no pink. Drain any fat and set pork aside. In the same pan or wok, heat oil, and coat entire surface of the pan. Add onion, ginger, jalapeno pepper, garlic, and turmeric. Fry for 5 minutes or until well heated. Be sure to use rubber gloves when working with hot peppers and keep your hands away from your eyes at all times. Add fish sauce and stir. Add cold rice, cooked vegetables, and pork. Stir until heated through, about 4 minutes. Create an empty area in the middle of the pan by pushing the rice to the edges. Add the eggs and scramble, breaking up any large pieces. Once cooked, stir the eggs into the rice mixture. Garnish with green onions and cilantro. Serve immediately. You'll love the authentic flavors of this traditional Thai dish. Get creative by adding other flavors like pork or shrimp to turn this tasty side dish into a main course. Enjoy.